step over. You have to soften it, babe.
I'm pushing her really hard. I think she deserves it. I wouldn't be doing her justice if I didn't.
Big? No. We don't do that.
What about Val?
Val's in teaching mood. Teaching mood is kind of grumpy.
What is a step? What is it?
A step.
I just said it.
When you transfer weight from one foot to the next,
Yeah.
right? Do that.
Without pain, work, struggle, there's no happiness at the end of the tunnel.
Because you're going, no, I don't need that.
It hurts my heart to do that.
No.
But I do it because I want you to be better.
No, it's good. I like it. I like it.
No. Point it. I need that.